Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. To start our lesson, first of all, we will start from dua. Let's join your hands. Rabbi zidni ilma. My Lord, increase me in knowledge. How are you all? Hope so you are all good. Which period is going on? Yes, this is maths period. Today we will learn about number 6. Let's start our reading. Look, what is this? Yes, it's your new friend. 6. Say with me, 6. 6. 6. Look at these. What are these? These are diamonds. How many diamonds? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Very good. Look at here. What are these? Yes, these are cars. How many cars are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Look, what are these? These are butterflies. Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Look, what are these? These are cupcakes. How many cupcakes are there? Let's count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Very well. Clap for yourself. Now we are right number 6. How we write? First of all, I will tell you how to hold the pencil. Hold the pencil with 2 fingers, 1 thumb. Students, now we learn how to write number 6. Look at here. We start from this point and make a slant line. Students, look here. If you write like this, it became sad, and that is also wrong. It became sad. Again, if you write in this way, also crying because you do not touch the line. You should write like this. Make a small line and make a happy. It became happy like this. Now students, we are going to do an interesting activity. Find the number 6 and make a circle around it like this. Very well. Friends, you should prepare a notebook like this. Diary, learn and write number 6. Thank you for watching. Allah Hafiz.